Welcome, everyone. We're diving into a guide for senior leadership, and it's all based on a really critical report from Virtualization Options LLC. It's about the new reality of AI security, and let me tell you, the game has totally changed. What we all thought was best practice, well, now it's a huge liability.
All right, let's just jump right in with a really important question. And this is for every CISO, every board member, every HR leader tuning in. Are you creating a false sense of security with your annual training? If you're still doing that once a year, check the box thing, well, this guide is going to argue that the answer is a big, flashing yes. You see, the whole landscape has shifted under our feet. We're moving away from that old way of thinking, simple annual compliance, just getting it done to tick a box. The new reality? It demands constant, active resilience from every single person in your organization. And listen, this shift isn't really a choice. It's being forced on us. And what's driving it? A whole new class of AI-powered threats that are moving at a speed and scale our old training models just can't keep up with, not even close.
Okay, first up, deep fake deception. Attackers are using these with absolutely terrifying accuracy. Just picture this for a second. You get a voice message from your CFO. It sounds exactly like them, and it's authorizing a huge wire transfer. This isn't some movie plot, folks. It is happening right now, and it's designed specifically to get around the human checks you think are protecting you.
And you can forget about those old, clunky phishing emails with the obvious spelling errors. That's ancient history. AI now creates hyper-personalized messages. It scrapes an employee's public profile, understands their role, even mimics their communication style, to create an email that is pretty much impossible to tell from the real thing. Your generic, one-size-fits-all training, it stands no chance against this.
Then there's the malware itself. It's getting smarter. AI is now being used to speed up the creation of really complex viruses. Viruses that can adapt, that can change their own code on the fly, all for one reason: to sneak past your traditional security systems.
And this really highlights the sheer speed we're dealing with. It used to be that when a new vulnerability was found, you had maybe weeks or even months before it was widely exploited by the bad guys. But now, with AI doing the analysis, that window has shrunk to hours, sometimes minutes. It's basically a zero-day world now.
So as you can see, this isn't just some tech problem you can hand off to the IT department anymore. Not at all. As we're about to break down, having outdated training creates very real, material risks that ripple across your entire business, affecting everyone you work with. Let's start with your customers, because a single wrong click by one of your employees can open the floodgates to a massive breach, exposing their most sensitive data. And look, this goes way beyond a PR headache. We're talking about a direct hit to the trust you've built, to your brand loyalty, and to your bottom line when those huge regulatory fines start rolling in, from GDPR, CCPA, you name it. Now, what I love about this part of the report is how actionable it is. On the left, you've got your mitigation steps: continuous, role-based, just-in-time training. But look to the right. Those are the tough questions your customers and their auditors are going to be asking you. So, the real question is, are you ready to answer them?
And this risk, it doesn't just stop with your customers. Oh no. Your company is just one link in a huge supply chain. And one unprepared employee can be the unlocked door that attackers use to waltz right into your partners' networks. You become patient zero for their breach.
And believe me, your partners are catching on to this. They have to ask, is your security training a real defense, or is it just for show, a compliance checkbox? Treating annual-only training as a major red flag, that's quickly becoming the new normal in vendor security checks. Your whole business could depend on this.
And finally, we get to the risk that makes every single board member sit up and pay attention: the direct, financial hit to your investors. Breaches caused by human error aren't just an operational oopsie anymore. They're seen as a fundamental failure of governance.
So let's talk numbers. According to IBM, the average cost of a data breach in 2023 was almost $4.5 million. And let that sink in. That's the average. With AI making these attacks more common and more severe, you have to think of that number as your starting point, not the worst-case scenario.
Being able to prove you have a modern, continuous training program is now a huge signal to the market. It shows you're on top of your game with risk management. It means you're less likely to have those costly and frankly embarrassing SEC disclosures. And more, it's being seen as a really positive signal for governance, especially within those ESG frameworks. Okay, so if the old way is totally broken, what's the solution? What does the path forward actually look like? Well, the Virtualization Options report calls it the AI-driven security revolution. It's really about fighting fire with fire.
And what that really means, at its core, is a huge shift in our mindset. We have to move away from those static, one-and-done yearly trainings and into a program that's dynamic, that's adaptive, and that evolves in real time, at the same speed as the threats.
This really lays it out perfectly. We're going from generic, one-size-fits-all content to personalized phishing simulations that are tailored to an employee's actual job. We're moving from that annual checkbox mentality to getting just-in-time coaching the moment a mistake happens. And we're going from talking about generic threats to actually training people on brand new AI-specific risks like prompt injection.
But the goal here isn't just about getting better numbers on a report. It's not just about click rates. It's about fundamentally transforming your company's culture, moving from a culture of passive compliance to one of active, engaged defense.
This quote really hits the nail on the head. It's the core message of the whole report. True security isn't some task you just complete. It's a resilient culture you have to build day in and day out. It's about turning your people from your biggest weakness into your strongest defense.
So, as we wrap up, this guide really leaves us with one last big question to think about. Your employees are your last line of defense. The AI-powered threat isn't coming, it's already here. So the question for every leader is this: are you preparing your people for today's fight, or are you still training them for yesterday's?